In this lesson, we will solve an equation by using a graphing calculator to find the intersection of two linear equations. First, we will start with a simple one-step equation, x plus 2 equals 7. On the left side, we have x plus 2, and on the right side, we have 7. From this, we will write two linear equations that we can graph, y equals x plus 2 and y equals 7. On the graphing calculator, this will mean that the left side of the equation will be y1 and the right side of the equation will be y2. Our goal is to find what value of x would produce the same y value in both equations, y equals x plus 2 and y equals 7. In other words, we'll find the intersection of these two linear equations. The intersection is the point at which they share both the same x value and same y value. To summarize the steps for solving the equation, we will enter the left side of the equation as y1, the right side of the equation as y2, and then find the intersection point. The x value of the intersection will be our answer. Now I will demonstrate how to do this on a TI-84 Plus graphing calculator. As previously stated, the first step in solving an equation is to enter in the left side of the equation as y1 and the right side as y2 in the y equals editor. To get to the editor, press the y equals button on your graphing calculator. Again, we will use the example x plus 2 equals 7, so type in the left side x plus 2 and press the enter button. In case you do not already know how to insert the x variable, you can do this by pressing the variable key right next to the green alpha key. Next, type in the right side 7 and press the enter button. After entering the equation, press the graph button to view the graphs of the two lines. Now press second, then the trace button to bring up the calc menu. Next, press 5 to select choice 5, intersect. The graph screen will then ask for the first curve. It is already selected, so press enter. You will then be asked for the second curve. It is also already selected, so press enter. Finally, you will be asked for a guess. This only needs to be adjusted if there are multiple points of intersection, and this is not the case, so you can just press enter a third time. You will now be given the point of intersection of the two lines. The x value, in this case 5, is the answer to the equation. I should warn you that the default range of x values that this method will work for is from -10 to +10. If the answer falls outside this range, for example, x equals 13, then you will receive an error no sign change message. I will show you how to fix this problem by expanding the window size, in other words, changing the x min and x max in a follow-up tutorial.